Welcome to day 12 of the 2019 live meditation experience. It is a snow day here in New Jersey, and I'm about to hit the road to drive my oldest, my college junior, back up to Ithaca College in upstate New York. And as luck would have it, almost every single time I'm taking her on the road, a snowstorm is upon us. But I'm sure we'll be safe and well protected along our journey. So I'm excited to take her back and get her settled back into her dorm. Today's meditation is a meditation for protection that I am thrilled to share with you. It is inspired by a little interaction that I had with my son's guidance counselor this morning. Many of you who follow me and follow me all over social media on Instagram and on my private Facebook as well know that I am not only the mother of 5 beautiful children, one of those children also happens to be a transgender boy who made his transition, had his coming out in the recent weeks, and it has been the most extraordinary event. And I'll tell you, as the mama bear I am, the fierce one that I am, I was fully prepared for negative reactions. I was fully prepared to have to go to battle for my son. And I got to tell you, like I told the guidance counselor this morning who was calling just to check in, it has pretty much been a non-event. It's been a pretty easy anticlimactic event where everyone who has expressed anything has been loving and amazing and has cheered him on and has lovingly supported my family, from family members close and extended to our church community, to the school, to our community at large, to our online communities. It's been a really, really, really amazing experience to behold. So I'm offering this meditation for protection today with the mantra, I am fully and lovingly supported in my hopes, dreams, and efforts. I am fully and lovingly supported in my hopes, dreams, and efforts. We can never be naive to the people who would do harm to us because they're out there, from just energetic harm to emotional, verbal, physical abuse. They're out there. But if we know that we are standing in our truth, in our own righteous intention, when we have the support of the people who love us most and who are cheering us on, when we have that, it's like having an armor of protection. And with that knowing that we are fully and lovingly supported, we can do anything. We can hope bigger, we can dream bigger, we can do more, we can take action without that fear. We can be courageous and confident. So I want you to focus on what's good and the love that's there as I lead you through this meditation for protection today. So I'd like to extend my invitation to step over the energetic threshold. Move into that space of peace and calm that is so ready to support you. Find your easy or comfortable seat. Sit up nice and tall with your chest open, your shoulders broad. Maybe get into that position by inhaling your shoulders up to your ears and exhaling your shoulder blades down along your spine. Maybe imagine that the crown of your head is being pulled up to the ceiling or to the sky with a string, allowing your chin to be parallel to the floor, and a clear path all the way from your crown to your seat, being made for energetic flow, for channeling wisdom. You can close your eyes or keep them open and focused on an object, a spot across the room, your screen. Just be in this space of stillness, of safety, drawing your attention to your easy effortless inhales and exhales. I'm also a birth doula, a woman who assists women in the act of giving birth, of bringing their babies earthside. And I use something that I learned in hypnobirthing to offer them a feeling of comfort and protection. It's called the bubble of peace. So, what I want you to do right now is to imagine your favorite color, a color that inspires happiness, but also peace and calm, one that makes you feel happy, like a smile might creep up on your face whenever you see it. Imagine that color. Now imagine an orb just above your head of that color, glowing, spinning. And as you inhale and exhale, imagine the orb growing and forming a bubble all around you. Inhale, watch the orb grow. Exhale, it surrounds you. This is your orb of protection, your bubble of peace. Now, this orb isn't only made of light and color, it's also made of all the love of the universe, including all the love of your friends, your family, of those who cheer you on. My love. This is your orb of protection, your bubble of peace. Negativity is real. People's negative opinions, their words are real. But know that when you are inside your orb of protection, your bubble of peace, that their opinions, that their words cannot permeate its surface. This is your energetic armor. You are always at peace and well protected when inside. I'm going to repeat the mantra for you in the first person, so please accept these words as your own. We'll inhale together and I will repeat as you exhale. Inhale with me. I am fully and lovingly supported in my hopes, dreams, and efforts. Inhale. I am fully and lovingly supported in my hopes, dreams, and efforts. One more time to really seal in the words. Inhale. I am fully and lovingly supported in my hopes, dreams, and efforts. Bring your attention again to your inhales and exhales. See the orb glowing and fluctuating around you. It's a living thing, this love, this support of the universe, of your family, your friends, of those who want to see you succeed. That love is always there, acting as protection, as armor from those who just don't know, who just don't understand the truth that is love. They just don't get it yet. And that's okay because you stand in truth. You stand in love. And you are fully and lovingly supported always. Rest in that visual for just a few moments more, knowing that whenever you want to call on this orb of protection, this bubble of peace, that it is available to you. Just take a moment, close your eyes, bring your attention to your breath, and picture that beautiful, vibrant color, that light orb surrounding you, allowing you to see out, allowing others to see into your beauty, but deflecting any of that negativity that just doesn't belong in your space. See it, feel its warmth, feel its protection. You are safe. You are calm inside. Your mantra one more time to take with you into your day, into the world. Inhale. I am fully and lovingly supported in my hopes, dreams, and efforts. Slowly, with me, begin to flutter your eyes open. Bring yourself back into the space, feel into your body. Like I said, that is a visual that I offer to my doula clients when they are in labor, when they're transitioning their babies from inside to earthside. And it's one that I use whenever I am worried about outside negativity permeating my being. It's not a shield that blocks vision or view. It's not one that disallows me from moving forward or speaking my truth. It's just one that only allows the good in and deflects all the stuff I do not need. Like, I don't need your dumb opinions about the good stuff I'm trying to do. I love you so much. Thank you for joining me for today's meditation. Another gentle reminder to pick up my book, You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life. And if you have any trouble getting it for whatever reason, affordability is definitely a reason. You don't have to tell me exactly the exact details. Just reach out to me using my email that can be found on my website, BEXLIFE.com, and I will hook you up. I know someone who can hook you up with that book. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I will see you soon with another meditation. Until then, be well. Stay safe if you're in this snowstorm. And to all my friends around the world, thanks for joining in.